An update for the free TerreSculptor 2.0 has been released. This build fixes the import tile feature having seams between the tiles issue, and updates the 4K display setting for better rendering with screen scaling. I will be going through the 2.0 software and seeing what other bug fixes I can find, and complete any fixes on them if I find any more. The 2.0 update can currently be downloaded from either of the Google Drives that are linked on the website support page. The release is currently a manual install with no setup program. Simply copy the new files over your old files. There is a README file with the zip that gives information on how to do the manual install. I decided to start up my Patreon page again. So anyone who would like to subscribe to support the TerreSculptor 2.0 software and my YouTube videos and other projects, the Patreon page is live again. No amount is too small. Even $1 a month helps to offset all of the expenses that I have related to my business work. I currently only have 3 Patreon tiers: $1, $2, and $5 per month. Many thanks to those who are supporting me. I have been using Unreal Engine 5.3 even more extensively the past few weeks, as I am working on a solo video game project. I have a new series of devlog videos that will accompany my video game development, discussing the work that I am doing. Regarding Unreal Engine 5 bugs, I also noticed that enabling hardware ray tracing causes a random crash to occur in scene visibility. I disabled the hardware ray tracing and stayed with Lumen only, and the crash seems to be gone. I'm not sure if this is a video driver issue, an NVIDIA RTX 3090 issue, or some bug in Unreal Engine 5.3 initial release. I have been watching the internet and Epic documentation to see if anyone posts anything regarding the supposed new successive batch import that was supposed to be released with Unreal Engine 5.3. So far, this has turned up nothing, other than the feature being listed on the 5.3 roadmap page. So using the standard landscape import procedure is still limited to 16K with edit layers and 32K without edit layers. I have performed a few recent tests of using multiple landscapes in Unreal Engine 5.3 to obtain a larger open world system by placing multiple landscapes beside each other. This is an option for creating larger worlds for those people who have computers with less memory. One thing to keep in mind is that your landscape height map tiles must have a shared edge, or you will end up with cracks along the seam of the two landscapes. Earlier tests of doing this also resulted in material texture issues on the edge polygons, but that issue seems to have been fixed in UE5.3 or somewhere along the line of updates. The last engine version that I tested that I believe had texture issues along the edge of the landscape was UE5.0. The edge seam between the two landscape actors still has a slight shadow issue, but that can probably be overlooked as it is not scene breaking. I will be creating 1 or more videos for my YouTube channel on steps to creating multi-landscape open worlds, along with the issues. I should have the first video on this subject on the channel in a couple of days. That is it for today's episode. You have been watching Tech Talk with Demenzun Media. Later, eh?